Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I have some videos today. This is an Avon video showing what I purchased with my campaign 2 order. So yes, it's an Avon haul. We are in campaign 3 now. And as I'm sure you're aware of, I did not put up a campaign 3 video. Today is Monday. A week ago Sunday, I started having like a tickle in my throat. I was coloring all day on Sunday and I noticed I was clearing my throat a lot and I had a bit of a tickle. Can you hear that cat? Sounds like a werewolf. Frank? Anyways, so by Monday morning I was full on sick and I had to, I'm sorry. What? What's the matter? Something's got him going. I don't know what it is. Anyways, by Monday morning, I had called the doctors and I was like, I need to get in. They couldn't see me, so I had to go in and see the urgent care. I apologize. I don't know what's going on with them. So I went into urgent care. They gave me an inhaler. They gave me antibiotics and everything. And buddy, I don't know what's wrong here. So yeah, so I was so sick. I don't know what happened. I was sicker than I have been in years this last week. And I'm still getting over it, but I feel better today, like more myself. I have cough drop in, so I hope that doesn't distract you. But I was hoping it would stop me from going into a fit of coughing. But I wanted to show you guys what I purchased with my campaign. My cat's out of control right now. With my campaign 2 order. He usually only does this at night. Excuse me. He does this at night, and after we turn the lights off, we can hear him walking through the house, and we call it, he's singing the song of his people. Anyways, okay, back on track. So this is what I purchased with my campaign 2 order. And really quick, I don't have a lot of Avon. Well, I have some Avon on. I'll show you. I do have my contouring stick and light on. My Moisture Cushion blush in pink. The Moisture Cushion highlight. Also, I have on the Send Roses palette. I only have 2 eyeshadows on today. I didn't want to spend a lot of time doing a fancy look. So, yeah, I just had 2 eyeshadows on from that palette today. I have the Avon Liquid Eyeliner in Charcoal. I think this one's discontinued anyways. Dark Charcoal. And then my lipstick is that Cassis Red from the Avon Flat Velvet lipstick line with the Face Shop. So, sorry. Okay, so anyways, so yeah, I placed my Avon order. It came last week, but I couldn't. This is the first day I've actually worn a bra in 5 days. This is the first day I've worn makeup in probably 7 days. So yeah, I'm like, yeah. Okay, so here's what I got. I got some things that are currently available. One of the things is our new luxury hand soap. And again, I don't know how to pronounce this. If it's Cucina or Cucina, I'm not sure. Somebody can educate me. I would be happy on that if they could. This is one of our new luxury hand soaps. And the scent I got it in is Rhubarb and Grapefruit. Grapefruit and Rhubarb. And I'm really stuffed up, but I wanted to see if it was like really highly fragranced. It's delicious. It smells so good. I can really smell it even though I'm stuffed up. It smells so citrusy and good. I'm really excited to have this. So I got one for myself. But I also got 2 more, one each for my e-store drawing for November and December, because I know I'm super far behind on that. And then I also, for the e-store drawings, I got the new Petal Soft Hand Cream, which is out for Valentine's Day in this really pretty packaging here. So when I do the e-store drawing, sorry, the e-store drawing, there'll be a winner for November and December, and each winner will receive a set of this. So, and this comes with a pump too, just so you know. I don't know. I don't think I have the pump handy with me. But yeah, it does come with a pump, so don't worry about that. If you're interested in the hand soap, it is $15 at intro price, and I think the original price on it's going to be $19, and that's a little bit kind of crazy because that's the luxury hand soap, you know. And I have opinions on that, but I don't know if I should give them now. I'll just give them now. Here's what I think about Avon having a $19 hand soap. I think the hand soap is a luxury item. Well, it can be. Let me say, it's not a luxury item. It can be a luxury item. And I think that if it gives you a little lift, you know what I mean? Like, I've been washing my hands a ton this week, like way more than I normally do. And it is really nice to have a nice fragranced soap, a nice soap, just to kind of lift your spirit. So while I don't think that a $19 hand soap is for everybody, or a $15 hand soap, you know, that's obviously not a necessity. It's a nice little luxury. It's an affordable little luxury that you can put in your life if you want to, you know. That's what I think about a $15 hand soap. Okay, and then the hand cream is going to be available for $2.50, and this is a 3.4 fluid ounce. So these are available now in campaign 3, and this stuff smells amazing. Sorry, guys. The other items I hauled are not coming out until campaign 4, and they are new hair care. They are from the Elastine Thera, I think. Am I saying this right? Elastine Propoli Thera line. So I showed these in a What's New, but we have a new hair care line coming out with propolis in it. And I got the shampoo, conditioner, and the hair oil serum in the damage repair line. Now, we also have a volumizing line of it, too. So I got the shampoo is here, and this is sulfate free, but it does lather. I heard that it lathered. I asked somebody if it lathers or not, and I can sort of smell this, but it must not be as fragrant as the hand soap, because I can't quite get. I get a slight perfumey scent, but it's too light for me to tell like how it smells exactly. So I'm really excited to use these. So this is the shampoo. This is the conditioner. And then I got, like I said, the hair oil serum also. And they have pumps with them. So this is what the pump looks like that comes with the shampoos and conditioners. And then this will be the one for the serum right here. I'm really excited to use that line. I love anything with honey in it, or royal jelly, propolis, you know, that kind of stuff for my skin. So I never tried any hair care with it before, but I'm excited. And those are going to be $15 a piece in campaign 4. So, like I said, there's also a volumizing in this hair care line, and there's also a hair mask, which I didn't purchase yet. I will, but I have 2 hair masks that I just purchased from Bath & Body Works, so I didn't get another hair mask yet. I'm not a real big hair product person, as you can probably tell. My hair is not... It's always bedraggled and frizzy, and I'm just not a hair person. I'm not into hair. But yeah, I just thought I would wait on that one, though, since I just got 2 hair masks. It's probably going to take me forever to go through those, although I have started using them. So yeah, but that's what I got, sorry, with my campaign 2 order. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, and finally feeling a little bit better. It's still a process. It just knocked me on my butt this time. I've had colds before. This was more of a sinus and infection, but and then I think it went into like a cold situation or something, because it drained down and made congestion here. But I don't know if I'm getting a little bit older. I know I'm overweight. I have a compromised immune system anyways because of my autoimmune disease. But this really knocked me for a loop. I was down and out, and I was shocked by that. I mean, I've had things like this before, even strep. I used to get strep all the time, or bronchitis, and I feel like I did a really good job of bouncing back, but this time it just knocked me out, and I'm still not feeling it, you know, 100%. It's crazy to me. I guess it's just a process, right? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll list these items in the description section below with their item number and when they're available, as well as the makeup that I'm wearing on my face. Although by now you probably got those numbers memorized by heart, because I've been wearing, like, I always wear the contouring stick and stuff like that. So yeah, I guess that's it. But thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video, which won't be hopefully another week, I promise. Well, I don't want to say promise because something could always come up, but you know what I mean. But as always, I'll leave a link to my e-store too, where you can shop it if you are so inclined. And I guess that's it. Thanks you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.